Okay, let's take a look at the where statement. So let's just type out select. Okay, and here we are, it's returned the data. I'm purposely using a small table, so examples are easier to understand, because these columns could go on forever and the data could go down forever, but essentially it's the same thing, smaller scale. So the where statement, so we can say specifically what we want to look at. So in this case, I'm only interested in looking at the data if it's in the country UK. So we can see we've got 2 here for the UK. So if I just say where country equals UK, and then I execute that, it's only going to return me the UK stuff. Okay, and then we can always say where the country, where the relationship equals customer. It has to be like that. So we've got 1 customer, and we can easily swap that out to supplier, and we can see we've got 2 suppliers.